So this is kind of how I use Weavy and Claude, which is right here, together in order to get campaigns like this. So I've basically got a skill called narrative campaign. And essentially what it does is, let's see, it, as you can read here, it's one of my skills. It's basically, when we have a campaign, if we want to run a clothing SKU, we want to make sure that it's kind of like a storytelling thing. So if I run a brand, let's take let's just take an example of a hoodie, whatever pops up here. And we would take this flat lay screenshot, put it in here, and then copy this link, put it in here, run this campaign. So essentially what it now is going to ask us is the mood board. So it'll basically ask us what kind of like vibe are we going with? And that's why, just to kind of show you an example, is like we kind of gave it a vibe. Plus, I wanted to make sure that it actually knows the brand. So it goes to research the brand right now. And that's the reason why I put the skill, like the link in here, so that it can read how this hoodie is supposed to fit, so that it knows when it's writing prompts, it knows it's including the fit, like how it's supposed to fit. Is it tight? Is it oversized? Because like there's no other way for image models to know, right? Unless we tell it. And so now it's gonna, as it goes, um, it'll ask me if I have a mood board, and it can give me some options, or I could just drop a mood board. But I'm just gonna click this. So essentially, what we're gonna do is it's gonna give me a set of prompts. I mean, it'll take a while, but it'll give me like 10 prompts. And this is exactly, I'm going to take that and put it in here, and then arrange it, area it, and then put it in list format. Now from there, I have, a model, which could be your real person, and then that hoodie, and then combine that, make this model wear that whatever garment we have. In this case, it's the dress. And then we will use this image as a reference image for all of the images that we're going to create. Plus, I always like to add some close-ups for this model, so that image model knows what the person looks like, and stuff like that. So it could be a close-up of that, or your garment in here, so that it knows what exactly we're dealing with. And then it'll spit out the nice looking images. Like, look at this, it's freaking awesome. It looks good. It's not like extravagant, and it looks like it looks like real photo shoot, and the product consistency is there. This is all like the brand vibe, and that's why it's like weird shots, like beach ones. But yeah, it's this is kind of how I use Claude and Weavy together to kind of create things like that. And now what I want to do after that is basically get a little bit of video action. So like these two shots are my favorite. This one and this one. And so what I want to do is I create a little workflow afterwards, and it basically goes in here, it analyzes the image and writes a motion prompt, and then it converts that into a video. And this is kind of what the video looks like. Just a slight zoom, 3-second video, nothing crazy. I absolutely love this. So just steady shot, handheld, really, really nice. And then after that, I turn it into a GIF, whatever you want to call it, just so it could be easily, uploaded to LinkedIn or whatever. You don't have to do it, but I wanted to do it. But yeah, it's a simple workflow. I don't now have to go to like different stages. I just trained Claude to do it. And as you can see, we have 10 prompts here. Oh, actually, I updated it to 20 prompts. And so you just copy and paste this whole thing into here, and you connect some nodes, and bada bing, boom, you're good. So yeah, if you need help, just know that my messages or my DMs are open. Feel free to shoot a hello, and we can take it from there. But yeah, cheers.